Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to recover data from my eyes only in Snapchat. Guys, it is very simple method. If you forget your my eyes only passcode, how to recover data without anything losing. Guys, first of all, open Snapchat application. You can see up here on the screen. Here tap on this icon, and guys, now tap on my eyes icon. You can see up here on the screen here, and you can see now tap on option. And guys, if I click on forget password, then will delete all my data. How to recover it? First of all, close this window. Here tap on cancel icon. You can see appear on the screen, and guys, go back, and here tap on profile icon. You can see appear on the screen, and here now tap on gear icon. It means setting, and scroll down. Here find I need help. You can see appear on the screen. Scroll down. Here tap on I need help. Now wait a few seconds. Here guys, now tap on, you can see contact us, and here now wait a few seconds. Now guys, tap on I need help with the Snapchat feature. You can see appear on the screen. Tap on it, and now guys, scroll down. Here tap on memories. You can see appear on the screen. Now guys, here tap on my eyes only. Now wait a few seconds. Here guys, this is the main part of this video. You can see appear on the screen here. Now scroll down. This is the form most important for the recover your data. Enter username, and here I am username. You can see appear on the screen here. Now enter your Gmail, active Gmail account, and enter your description, all your problem. And I have written, that's my problem. You can see appear on the screen. You can write this, and you can write anything about your problem. Tap on submit and fill the captcha here. Tap on next, and one more, tap on bikes. You can see appear on the screen. Tap on verify, and here sending your, you can see appear on the screen, your application sent to your Snapchat team. Guys, Snapchat team will contact you on your Gmail, and guys, you can recover your my eyes only data without passcode by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.